Hello. Oh, wait. Okay. Today, I am on live TV, and I am Super Racer, yes. And I was the one who you have been cheering for, all of those little kids. Yes, been cheering for me, yes.
Super Racer, will you take our questions now?
What do you mean?
Will you answer questions from the crowd?
Okay. Let's do you, the little one in the red shirt.
Super Racer, what's it like to be you?
Well, you always got to stay on track of where you're going and how to transform. And that's all.
Hey, Super Racer, I've got a question for you.
Wait, you gotta raise your hand. Oh, yes, you in the black topping.
Exactly how fast can you go, Super Racer?
Well, according to my rule book, it says I can go. I need to get my rule books that I was made. Yeah, it says I can go 1,051 miles per hour. So every time I beat that turbo booster. Yes, you in the blue topping, like me. I like you.
Oh, Super Racer, I'm so glad you like me. I like you too. My question is, do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I do.
Is it me?
It's hard to say. I have too many of them.
Oh, Super Racer. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our question and answer session with Super Racer. Super Racer, is there any last thing you'd like to say to the crowd?
Well, it took me a long time to travel here. It was lots of hard things that I had to go through, all that pooping. Man, it was stinking. But my truck made it.